Critical issues with Bisi Adewale.
My husband needs a job and my ex-boyfriend is in position to help him. Can I tell my husband to go for the job? Will he not fear that I'm still dating the boy by discussing with him?
Critical issues with Bisi Adewale.
This is Critical Issues with Bisi Adewale. Thank you for joining me in this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, YouTube at Bisi Adewale, and put on the notification so that you can be part of these Critical Issues with Bisi Adewale, where I answer so many questions bordering issue of family, relationship, parenting, marriage, and some other aspect of life. At 6 a.m. every day, I post a picture, a video. 6 a.m. every day, I post video on YouTube at Bisi Adewale. So please quickly go there now and subscribe and put on the notification. Thank you. The question is, a husband needs a job. Our boyfriend is in position, our ex-boyfriend is in position to to give the husband the job. Now, can she go ahead and tell the husband about the job? How will the husband take it? Won't the husband say, so you are still talking to your ex, you are still having a relationship with your ex? So our question is, how is she going to handle this particular issue? This is a very brilliant one. This is a very critical one. You see, it depends on the kind of person you are, whether your husband trusts you in the beginning or not. And it depends on the kind of husband you are married to. And it depends on how critical is the issue of joblessness of your husband. If you know that your husband is the one that's jealous, that's envious, that will think that you are still seeing your ex, it will be very dangerous to tell him. I know you can actually get the job, you can actually get another job somewhere without the job that your ex will give. You see, it is not always good that you are still keeping in touch with your ex after you are married. It's unchristian-like, it's ungodly, it is not the right way to do it. But peradventure, you know that your husband will take it kindly. You are the one that knows your husband. I, as a counselor, I don't know your husband, so I won't be able to say per se how he will behave, but you have to be very careful. You can stir the water, you can try to check him. If you discover that he won't take it kindly, please let the ex take his job away and keep your marriage. God will provide his own job for him shortly. This is very important. Don't forget to order for these 4 books that will transform your marriage, make your home a place to be. We call it Super Marriage Bundle. There we have 4 books in it. They are right for that marriage, 100% marriage, a desperate need of your husband, a desperate need of your wife. These 4 books will transform your marriage and make your home a place to be. So see the number on your screen, quickly call that number and order for the book now. Or go to familiarbooks.com to order for your book, familiarbooks.com. Go there straight to download the ebooks. Thank you for joining me in this particular video. Always remember, people will always have critical issues, and God has supernatural solutions.
Now, you can make your marriage sweeter, stronger, better, tantalizing and more romantic by joining our 31 Days Marriage Makeover Bootcamp, where you're going to watch 34 uncommon videos on intimacy, finance, sex, romance, and lots more that will turn your marriage around forever. quickly go to familiarcourses.com and start the journey of fruitful, blissful, and successful marriage now. You get it at 75% discount if you get the course today.